Welcome to today's tutorial on how to embed a YouTube video in an HTML web page with CSS style. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step so that you can easily add videos to your own website and style them to your liking. First of all, what you need to do is you need to select a YouTube video that you want to embed in your app. In my case, I'm going to go with this one. So if I click on it, and you can see I've got this share button right here. If I click on it, it will open a pop-up with several options right now here. But the important one for this video is this embed one. So I'm going to click on embed. It will give me the code that is needed for us to embed this particular video inside our web page. So I'm going to copy this code, and after copying this code, section. So as you can see, we got this basic HTML template that has header and body template. And I have in the body section of your HTML file, you can add the video code that you copied from YouTube. You can put it anywhere you like, but I'll recommend putting it inside a div so that it is easier to style. So I'm going to create a div container and paste the code here. So now this gives me a suggestion that I should remove the frame border because this attribute is deprecated. So after removing that, now we should have a basic like simple video embedded inside our web page. So as you can see, we got this video embedded inside of our page. We can play this video. We can do every feature that we have on the YouTube video. So now what we need to do is we need to style this video. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the class name to this container, which is going to be video container, and I'm going to style this video container. So for that, I'm going to go into my index.css file, or if you prefer inline styling, you can do that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a width of 800 pixels and height of 450 pixels. And I'm also going to center the video. So for that, I'm going to give it a margin 0 and auto. This will center our video. Now after that, what I want to do is I want to remove the border around the video. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this video container, and inside this video container we have an iframe. So I'm going to style that iframe, and to remove all the borders around it, I'm going to give it border none. So now if you save this, and keep in mind you should give this width and height 100% so that it covers the whole area of its parent. So now if we open up our web page and if I refresh it, you can see the size of the video also increased, and also the video is centered, and we removed the border around the video.